Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on activity sharing in Game Center on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down until you find Game Center, then tap on it. After that, scroll down again until you see Activity Sharing and tap on it. Here, you'll find different privacy options for sharing your gaming activity. To share your activity with your friends, simply select Friends Only. Once you've selected that option, your Game Center activity will only be visible to your friends, giving you more control over your privacy while still allowing friends to see your achievement and gaming progress. And that's it. You've successfully enabled activity sharing in Game Center. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, tricks, and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.